Weather patterns are changing, temperatures are rising, and scientists, including those from NASA, say our human byproducts are killing us slowly. It all falls in the footsteps of our carbon footprint.
A carbon footprint is a measure of the greenhouse gases produced by a human or activity. One of those gases include carbon dioxide, or CO2.
We've seen that there's been a massive increase ever since industrialization.
A greenhouse gas works like a blanket for our planet by trapping heat in our atmosphere.
So it can absorb and emit infrared light, which basically heats the surface of the planet.
Also known as global warming.
As a result, we get drier dry seasons,
which makes us more susceptible to forest fires. Through photosynthesis, plants help remove CO2 from our air and store it in their plant fibers.
It goes through a cycle, right? So it can get stored underground in rocks and oil and gas, and then when that's burned, it releases carbon dioxide to the atmosphere,
further contributing to the warming of our planet. Another greenhouse gas is methane.
In California, landfills emit roughly about 40% of the methane.
When we throw away our trash, it goes to a landfill where bacteria eat the leftover food and produce carbon dioxide and methane. Methane is about 28 times more efficient at trapping heat emitted by the earth than CO2.
Having wastewater from farms can sometimes create methane because of the waste from the animals. So a lot of the ways that we get food and energy create carbon dioxide.
It's really the global change that has to happen. It's really where we're getting our energy that we have to change.
Obviously, we can't all go vegan overnight.
And we can't just stop driving.
But we need to do something about this never-ending cycle. I don't want to cycle forever. Neither do I, Kat.
But we can all start somewhere. By composting our food, eating green, turning off lights and running water, replacing grass with native plants, we can all do our part to make a difference in our world.
The reality that our environment is the most important thing, because without the environment, we cannot exist.
Fresno State has several ways to get involved and learn sustainable practices like composting, making a garden, and creating planter boxes. To learn how you can start making small changes, connect with them on Instagram.